Hi, Mike Stiles here to tell you about xGEL LabMate, an exciting new software product aimed at adding approximately $10,000 a year to your geotechnical firm's bottom line, while at the same time reducing your geotechnical engineering liability exposure and speeding up your engineering project delivery schedule. Now, you could use an extra $10,000, right? Yeah, I thought so. I'd settle for $5. All right, then here's the pitch. Does your firm have a geotechnical testing laboratory? Did you know that in the traditional geotechnical laboratory, the big 5 tests of moisture content, liquid limit, plastic limit, unit dry weight, and minus 200 comprise approximately 80% of the testing workload? Did you know that one of the biggest cost and time wasters is having to write down all that lab data on messy paper data forms, not to mention handling testing busts associated with transcription and data recording errors? Well, did you also know that after all that data is collected, it has to then be manually post-processed into your calculation and boring log software, such as xGEL or xGEL or others, adding for more time and cost and even more potential for error and liability exposure because of duplicated and miskeyed data entry? Well, yeah, that's right. Time and motion studies have shown that in a production lab running those big 5 tests, up to 30% of a lab technician's time is spent reading and transferring data from the electronic bench scale onto those paper data forms. For example, on this particular sheet shown right here behind me, it shows 12 handwritten data elements required for just one single point liquid limit. The plastic limit has 18 data elements. Here, let me blow that up for you. This manual data collection, coupled with wasted time doing duplicate data entry into calculation and boring log software, can amount to approximately $10,000 a year in wasted cost for a production lab. So, you're interested in saving $10,000 a year, right? Yeah, I thought so. Well, we've got something to help you do just that, because our new software, xGEL LabMate, uses electronic data capture technology to instantly read your lab testing data directly off your electronic testing scale and place it into our easy-to-read, self-calculating electronic testing forms that are extremely easy to navigate, easy to use, and look pretty much like those forms that you're probably using now. Another nice feature of LabMate is that it creates data output files that can be used directly by Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, and xGEL, the leading geotechnical engineering boring log software on the market today. Oh, you want to see one of those electronic testing forms again? Okay, here it is. This one is for some moisture content testing. You can tell that by the yellow MC button down at the bottom of the form. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? The data goes directly from the testing scale to the data forms, bypassing all the cost, hassle, and mistakes that happen with pencil and paper data recording. But that's not all. Not only can the xGEL LabMate software collect your data quickly and interface with your boring log software, it lets you see your testing results in real time, meaning that if you need a quick cut sheet of data before completion of your boring logs, you can get it with just a click of a mouse. Here, I'll blow that one up for you. This is just perfect for making preliminary assessments of project data and jump-starting your report writing process. For example, if you need to see all the moisture contents while waiting for the Atterberg limit testing to finish up, you can do that with just the click of a button. So, are you interested in saving $10,000 a year in your production lab? Are you interested in saving even $5,000? Well, whichever it is, xGEL LabMate can help you get there.